Hello everyone, welcome to the Homoeo Soul. Today we are going to learn about the bones of the thorax. In the previous video we had learned about the ribs, and today we are going to learn about the sternum and the vertebral column. So first is the sternum. Sternum is a flat bone. It have the three parts. Upper part is a manubrium, middle part is a body, and the lowest part is a xiphoid process or a zippy sternum. Sternum is about 17 cm long. It is longer in a male than in a female. Manubrium is make a slight angle with the body, the convex forward, called the sternal angle of the Lewis. Remember the sternal angle of the Lewis. Then the xiphoid process, the smallest part of the sternum. It is first cartilaginous, but in the adult it becomes ossified near its upper end. It may be bifid or a perforated. Clinical anatomy of the sternum. The bone marrow for examination, it is usually obtained by manubriosternal puncture. The sternum is depressed, which is called as the funnel chest. A forward projection of a sternum, like the keel of boat, or a flattening of the chest wall on the either side, it is called as the pigeon chest. The partial fusion of a plates may lead to the formation of a sternal foramina, a bifid xiphoid process. So remember the terms like funnel chest, a pigeon chest. Then this is all about the sternum. Then our next topic is the vertebral column. It is called a spine or the spinal column or a backbone. It is the central axis of a body. It is made up of the 33 vertebrae, the 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, 5 sacral, and a 4 coccygeal. Each nerve lying beyond the corresponding vertebra. The coccygeal region, there is only one coccygeal nerve. Movable or true vertebrae include the 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, and the 5 lumbar vertebra, making the total 24. Length of a spine is about 70 cm in a male and 60 cm in a female. The curvature in a sagittal plane, a primary curve present at the birth and the secondary curve present at the posterior region. In a coronal plane, there is the lateral curve. Parts of the typical vertebra: the body anteriorly, pedicle, lamina, large vertebral foramen, spine or a spinous process, superior articular process, inferior vertebral notch below the pedicle, superior vertebral notch, intervertebral foramina. Clinical anatomy: failure of the fusion of the two halves of the neural arch result into the spina bifida. Sometimes the body ossifies from the two primary center, and if one center failed to develop, one half right or the left of the body it is missing, result in the hemivertebra and the lateral pain in the vertebral column or a scoliosis. In a young adults, the discs are very strong. So this is all about the sternum and the vertebral column. Then the joints of the thorax. Joints of the thorax include the manubriosternal joint, costovertebral joint, costotransverse joint, and a costochondral joint. This is all about the joints of the thorax, that is sternum and the vertebral column. Thank you so much for watching and listening the video carefully. If you like my work, please do not forget to subscribe the channel and also hit that bell icon to get a further notification. Thank you so much.